Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to my class. Hope you have enjoyed your vacation, staying safe at home. Students, what if you have wished to go around the world? You just book your tickets and fly to your destination. And students, if you have dreamed to go around the universe, how would you go? Is it just booking your tickets and flying to your destination? No, it needs a lot more than that. That is a specialized training, and you must be an astronaut with encyclopedic knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. And do you think is it possible? Yes, it was made possible by an Indian American woman in space, that is Kalpana Chawla, a girl from Karnal, Haryana, India. She was born on March 17, 1962 in Karnal, Haryana, India. As a child, she was fascinated by aeroplanes and flying. So she did her Bachelor of Engineering degree in Aeronautical Engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India. And then she moved to the United States in 1982 and obtained a Master of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering from the University of Texas. And she did not stop there. She went on to earn a second master's in 1986 and a PhD in aerospace engineering in 1988 from the University of Colorado. She was married to Jean Perry Harrison, a flight instructor. She was also licensed as a pilot. She was licensed to fly single multi-engine land airplanes, and she was also certified as a flight instructor. And after qualifying as a pilot, she applied to NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, for a space shuttle program. It was her success as a pilot that gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut. And she was first hired as a research scientist by NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut, among others. Thus, she became the first Indian American astronaut. She took the citizenship of America. And then, when she was asked by somebody what it was like being a woman in her field, she just said, I really never ever thought, while she was pursuing her studies even, she never thought that she was a woman or a person from a small city or a different or of a different country. She never thought she was from a different country or from a small city, or she was a woman. She must have some restrictions or some limitations. She never thought of that. She just dreamed like any other person and just followed them. And fortunately, the people around them, that is, the people around her, also encouraged her. If you want to do so, carry on. Whatever you want, whatever dreams you have, just follow them, make them true. So she thought she was very fortunate to have such people, and she gives a message to all the women that you need not limit to yourself. You can dream just like any other person and make your dreams come true. And Chawla's first space mission in the space was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. That was held, that was on November 3rd, that is on 19th November 1997. That was, the crew members were around 6 members, and altogether they had this space mission it was for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. And during this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers, think. So And the crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut, and they performed different experiments for a price tag of about $56 million. And those experiments are experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space, and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. They performed such experiments. They performed such different experiments. And when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. So this was happened during the second space mission, during her second space mission, that was on in the month of January, 16 January 2003. And that was about 16 days. It was about 16 days, their space travel. It was about 16 days. And while they were coming back to Earth, this disaster happened. The Columbia space shuttle, it exploded, and people were in shock and disbelief, and they prayed that somehow the crew of 7 astronauts, they might have survived. But it became clear that Kalpana Chawla and other crew members on the space shuttle had died. That was the tragedy, because many of all these astronauts, all the 7 astronauts, they had died. And that was the news report which you have gone through in the beginning of the class. So this disaster, it took place on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 astronauts. There were sleepless nights. People did not sleep that day, and they were praying. They were praying that somehow Kalpana Chawla and her crew members should survive. But that did not happen. All the 7 members, they had died. And a journalist wrote that Kalpana Chawla was a heroine. According to him, astronaut is a very able person. He has to know everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. So that is not just doing masters in one subject. So he should know everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. And an astronaut must have encyclopedic knowledge of wide variety of subjects, not only one subject, not having knowledge of one subject, but many subjects. And so Kalpana Chawla, when she was in the space shuttle, she sent a message: the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on to it. Wishing you a great journey. So she sent a message to the people, to the students of her college where she studied, that is the Tagore School in Colonel. She studied. So she sent her message to those students that the path from dreams to success does exist. So the path, the way from dreams to success, it is there. Only thing is, you have to find it. You must have a vision to find it and the courage to get onto it. Then surely you would be a very successful person, and you would make your dreams come true. Wishing you a great journey. So she wished all of them a great journey towards their success. So with this, thank you. Meet you in the next class.